Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you a YouTube training course that you can eventually make a full-time income on YouTube, and you don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, this is a YouTube training course, and I'm going to share with you the 5 things that I look for, because I do a lot of product reviews on this channel, and so I look at a lot of courses, and I like to bring to you the best that I can find. So the 5 things that I look for, the first thing is that it gets results. I see that other people are getting results. I see that I'm getting results with it. The second thing is that there's ongoing training and support, because once you buy a product, you're obviously going to have a lot of questions, and you want to have the kind of support that you need to have results with it. So that's the second thing. The third thing is that it's up to date with the latest strategies. You don't want something that's been out there a long time and these strategies don't work anymore. The fourth thing is that it's step by step, easy to figure out, beginner friendly, because a lot of people have a difficult time figuring out technical things, and it gets to be frustrating when you get in there and you can't figure things out. So I want it to be step by step, very easy to figure out, even if you're brand new. And then the fifth thing is leverage. Something that will teach you how to either outsource, and even if you don't want to outsource, how to save yourself time, because YouTube can be very time consuming as far as creating videos. So I wanted something where I could learn how to save some time and not have to spend so much time every week or every day. So those are the 5 things that I look for, and I've done a video on this before, but I just wanted to share with you again, in case you didn't see that video, a course that I found that meets all those criteria. It's called Passive Affiliate, and I've purchased this course and I can't say enough good things about it. So I just, again, wanted to share it with you, because I think a lot of people are out there looking for ways to make money online, and they want something legitimate, something that's actually going to help them to make money. With that being said, you do need to put the work into it, but I feel like if you put the work into it, you're going to get results, because there's a lot of people that have gotten really amazing results with this course. So again, it's Passive Affiliate is the name of the course. It's taught by Andy Haffel. He's very, very successful YouTube marketer. You can see he has 157,000 subscribers. He absolutely knows what he's talking about. So when you get in here, he's going to give you an intro course, the tools that you need, just tell you about the course, and then there's six weeks in here. So the first week is going to be finding hot niches and affiliate programs. So trying to find like the best niche for you, the best affiliate products to promote so that you're going to get sales, keyword research. Second week is how to optimize your channel, because it's really important what your channel looks like, your banner, your logo, your tags, different things to optimize your channel. That's really, really important. The third week is start making easy passive affiliate videos. So he gives you the script, he gives you what you should say, obviously the slides, titles and thumbnails, descriptions, tags, everything that you need to know to create videos that convert. So that's the third week. Fourth week is how to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers, ideally in 30 days. It's possible using the comment strategy, email feedback loop, and other ways to get views. And then I love this. Week 5 is how to hire and outsource everything. You can outsource everything on your channel and have it be very, very successful. So I love that 5th week, because all of us are out there, we want to make money, but we want to spend all day doing videos. Week 6 is money funnels. passive money funnel, how to building a website, and using ClickFunnels. And then there's a bunch of bonuses in here for outsourcing and different templates. So it's a very, very comprehensive course, 6 weeks. Another thing that I love about it is you get a private Facebook group with Andy. This is super valuable in itself because there's a lot of videos that he's done in there in addition to these, where you can learn exactly how he sells on YouTube, the results that he's gotten with videos that you can model after. He also goes through different members' channels and looks at like what they're doing right, what they're doing wrong, and so you can look at those videos and figure out why your channel's not growing and what you're doing wrong and how you can correct that. So it's really, really valuable information in the Facebook group, and he's active in there. So the part where you get ongoing training and support, that is definitely in place. These other things, again, teaching how to outsource, I think it's beginner friendly. It's up to date. He's showing you exactly what's working for him now, ongoing. And then you can see a lot of results in this Facebook group that people have gotten. And in fact, I know a lot of these people in the group, and I've seen their channels really grow, and they're having a lot of success. And I've come to find out that they're in this Facebook group and using this training. So it definitely can get you results. So I wanted to share this with you. Now the cost of it is $297, but considering what you get in here and the kind of results that you can get with this, I think it's worth every single penny. I mean, I've gotten my master's in physical therapy. I spent $15,000 a year, and I feel like this course can give me the kind of time and financial freedom that I'm wanting that, I can't get from my job. So considering that, and there's no upsells. Also, YouTube is free marketing, and besides some tools that you may have to purchase, or if you want to outsource some of it, there's really going to not be any cost to you. So that to me is a great value. I would think that this course should be a lot more like $1,000 or more, actually, because of the results that you can get from it. So again, it's just one time. But I wanted to share this with you because I think it can really, really help you if you want to make money with YouTube. There's a free webinar that he has, and I will say I went through the hour-and-a-half webinar, and I was so excited on the possibilities of this. I went ahead, well, actually a friend of mine purchased it first, and he went through it, and he was just incredibly excited, so I purchased it. And anything that I've seen in here is just really top-notch as far as training. So this free one and a half hour webinar, I'm going to leave a link in the description below the video to this. But what he goes through is how to find affiliate products that sell themselves, and how to attract buyers, how to make viral videos with your voice in 15 minutes without showing your face, and how to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in the shortest amount of time possible. But when you watch this, you're going to get really excited because you're going to see the possibilities, and you're going to see that you can do this. I mean, there's so many people that have used this training and are getting really great results, making good money. So it's possible to make a full-time income with this training. So wanted to share this with you guys, this YouTube training course. I think it is really, really top-notch. I would highly recommend it. And if anything else, just go ahead and watch the free webinar, because you're going to get a lot of value from it, just to see the possibilities of how do these people get these subscribers and get these sales and have the kind of success that they've had on YouTube. So if you guys found some value in this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below the video. And if you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. So again, go ahead and click the first link in the description below the video, get on the webinar, and I'll see you guys on the inside. Take care.